Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to do this really super easy pattern. Nice, isn't it? On the back, could be reversible, it'd be easy, wouldn't, it would be actually. That's really nice. Turn it up the right way would be actually better, wouldn't it? That's quite nice. It's just plain, so you've got a small sort of diamond shape on it. That's quite nice. But the front is really super. It is 6 stitches multiples of plus 5 extra plus 2 edge stitches, and it's a 8-row repeat. So there it is anyway. So we'll get going, show you how to do this. Wait till I get this. I've casted on my stitches already. So I have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 plus the extra 5 and your 2 edge stitches. And the first row is, we're going to slip 1, okay, and then we're going to purl 2, knit 1. This is the repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Okay, so that's your edge stitch. Then it's purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Okay, do that again. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and you've got your 5 stitches and your edge stitch left. Now the 5 stitches are purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, and then you purl your last stitch, your edge stitch. Okay, that's okay. Row 2 is, get that end out of the way because I start knitting with that which sometimes I'm liable to do. So first stitch is slip, and then your knit 2, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Okay, edge stitch, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, and you repeat that. Okay, so knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Last 5 stitches and your edge stitch, and you are knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, and purl your edge stitch. It's not part of the pattern, it's your edge stitch. Okay, okay, so that's 2 rows. Now row 3 is slip your first stitch, and then it's purl 1, and then you're going to slip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to purl the next stitch. Okay, and then you're going to knit the next stitch. That's your repeat. That's your edge stitch. Purl 1, slip 3, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, so it's going to be purl 1, slip 3, okay, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, and your last 5 stitches are purl 1, slip 3, 2, 3, purl 1. There we go, and your last edge stitch is a purl. Okay, so that's row 3. Row 4 is slip your edge stitch, knit 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, knit 1, purl 1. That's your repeat. So that's your edge stitch, knit 1, slip 3, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Knit 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to knit 1, then you're going to purl 1. Okay, so that's the last 5 stitches and your edge stitch, and then you're going to knit 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1 and purl your edge stitch. Okay, there we go. Now that was row 4. Now it's taking shape already. Look at that. Row 5 is slip 1, oops, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Right, edge stitch, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Okay, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. That's your last 5 stitches and your edge stitch, and it's going to be purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, purl your edge stitch. And that was row 5. Okay, got my fingers caught. Hang on. Right, row 6. Row 6 is needle upside down. That won't do. Slip 1. Okay, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Okay, so that's your edge stitch, and your repeat is knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Okay, so it's knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1 to your last 5 stitches and your edge stitch, and it's knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl your last stitch. Okay, now next rows are slip 1, whoops, purl, whoops, purl 2, knit 1. Now you're going to repeat from here this time, and you're going to go purl 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, so you did slip 1, purl 2, knit 1, and your repeat was purl 1, slip 3, purl 1, knit 1. Okay, so your repeat is purl 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Can't reach. Come on. Purl 1, knit 1. Okay, and you're down to 2 stitches and your edge stitch. Okay, and that is purl 2, and your edge stitch is purl 1. There we go. Now last row, which is row 8, is slip 1, knit 2, purl 1. Okay, now your repeat is going to be knit 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, so you started off with slip 1, knit 2. Then your repeat was where are we? Now you started off, that's your edge stitch, knit 2, purl 1. Then your repeat was knit 1, slip 3, knit 1, purl 1. Okay, get that right. Knit 1, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, purl 1, down to your last 3 stitches. So it's knit 2, 1, 2, and then you purl your edge stitch. Okay, there we have the 8 rows. I love this pattern. It's really easy because it's just knitting. Knit and purl and slip stitch. Let's see the bigger one again. Super, look at that, isn't that, that's really nice. Lovely and warm. I did it in a thick yarn. You can do it in any yarn you want, just use the appropriate needles. Make sure and don't hold your yarn too tight or too loose when you are doing the slip stitches. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it. Like, share, subscribe, any comments, and happy knitting.